Wang Shijun is carefully observing the seedlings of red-flowered black mangroves.
这就是它这个红蓝李的种子，所以每年都要收集这个种子来育苗。因为这种子并不多，我们国家也就是说，那么第一代的这个红蓝李就剩下9棵了。
As a national first-class protected wild plant in China, the red-flowered black mangroves are known as coastguards. Due to a lack of protection, their wild population in China decreased from 350 in 2006 to 14 in 2014.
现在如果这个物种拯救不过来，那就永远从我们国家上消失了。那以后我们的子孙后代要想看到这个物种，那只能从象天林站上面看到了。
Wang is a retired employee of the Hainan Dongjaigang National Nature Reserve Authority. In 1980, Wang went to work there.
1981年，我就参与了调查海南岛红树林分布调查情况。调查到陵水大墩村，就发现了这个红蓝李这个物种。那其他的物种呢，应该有400-500株。
In 2013, when Wang learned the trees were on the verge of extinction as their population had plummeted, he was devastated. So he joined a group of young colleagues to volunteer for the conservation of the trees in August that year. But when they went to Sanya to collect the seeds, they found themselves in big troubles.
没有种子了，就采不到了，就没有了。后来就是说，我们一个年轻的，他就爬到那个树上，树上不这个还树大，还有个裂缝，那刚好在那里上面捡了100粒种子，100多粒种子，就拿回来了。
Wang decided to grow the valuable seeds on his balcony at home. He also collected some soil and water from Sanya to mimic the natural habitat of the seas.
当时培育出16株小苗，这16株小苗因为它在阳台里面不适应它生长，慢慢的就死掉了，死了15株，最后剩下1株苗。
In 2014, Wang and his colleagues went to Sanya to search for seeds of red-flowered black mangroves again. This time, they put what they found in a nature reserve for cultivation.
那时候就培养到出了240株红蓝李，那时候心情就不一样了，那就特别高兴。
About 8 years ago, the Dongjaigang National Nature Reserve Authority vacated a base of 1.33 hectares for the mangrove plantation.
现在这个红蓝李是2015年种的，但是种了112株，都达到了100%的存活。现在的长势特别好，它的高度现在有3米多了。
With the efforts of people like Wang Shijun, the number of red-flowered black mangroves has increased to about 2,300. Wang said he hopes that they will be out of danger soon.
能够把这个物种拯救过来，算是最有意义的一件事了。